All right. So last week, right, I didn't talk a little bit about this thing called the rounding off, but I believe you all know what it's called rounding off, right? So last week I ended off with one of these questions. Can? So let's just take a look at it first. And this question, the reason why I put it in front is so that we clear up what we are supposed to do last week first. And we are trying to wait for all these latecomers. Hiya. Oops, Jovi
Still
is
doing homework.
still doing homework. All right. Hello, Jovi. Hello, Tanisha. Okay, come, children. Can you just take a look at this question first? Yeah? All right. Hey, Kalista, what is that? You're smiling. What's that? Is that a calculator? Mr. Ong, I got picked by my math teacher to do as many questions as we can in 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. You are the record holder with 28 questions. Oh, that's crazy, Toby. All right, that's crazy. All right, so you are able to do like 28 questions in 30 seconds. Wow, my goodness. All right, so children, if you can train up on your mental sum, all right, mental calculation is actually very important for your primary 5. Yes, I know you can use your calculator, but still, mental strength is still very important. All right. Can all of you please turn on your video when you're here? Is that Raj? Jovi, are you there? Yep. All right, come, let's go. Oh, it's not Raj. Oh no, it's not Raj. Sorry, your name is Rukmini, is it?
Rukmini.
Rukmini. Yes, sorry. Okay. All right, so children, this question was the homework. Wow, Jasmine, the first person to give me the answer is you already. Yeah, no nonsense. Very fast got the answer. And your answer is correct, Jasmine. Answer is 7,000. I need to say that you got it first. Can? All right, so this was the homework, right? So down here, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to find the sum. Sum means you have to plus those two numbers. All right, so if you're supposed to add them, please go through your proper way of adding. And after you add them, right, what happens? Oh, yo, the answer is 6,840. There is a second part to the question. They want it to the nearest thousand. All right, they want it to the nearest thousand. But where is the thousand? Where's the thousands place? This is actually your thousands place. All right, this is your thousands place. Is that okay? To determine whether you're 6, is it to round up or to maintain? You have to look at the next digit here. The next digit is 8. This 8 is actually above, right? It's above 5. If it's above 5, what do you do? You have to round up. All right. Therefore, your 6 will become a 7. All right. This is the sign for estimate. And please don't just put 7. For example, somebody owes you $6,840, but he only returned you $7. That's crazy. Sorry. That's supposed to be a scream. All right. So that person must at least return you $7,000 to make it worthwhile. Understand, not, children? All right. So this is one way of rounding off. Hey, but is there another way? Yes. All right. So for example, right, I will do it this way. I will ask myself, 6,840 is between what thousand and what thousand? The question wants 1,000, right? So I know that it's between 6,000 and 7,000. So all you got to do is to compare. 840, right, is closer to 7,000. All right, so both ways okay. Right, eventually you must give the right answer. That is most important. Right, so all these questions are easy questions. Let's just do it. Let's just get it all over with first. There's another question which I didn't tell you that it's homework. All right, but can we just do this quickly? All right, can you please go to the chat and key in the answer? Go to the chat and key in the answer. Whoa, scary number, scary number. All right, 2 million. Oh my goodness. Go to the chat and key in your answer, please. All right, this is to check whether you know how to use your chat. The chat function. Toby got the answer already very fast. Oh my goodness. All right, he's like super Toby. Yes, I saw your answer. Yep. I say super Toby. Yeah, so Toby is fast. I'm not fast enough. All right, even Toby is faster than me. Yes. Mingy, we're looking at this question already. Just now that question. Yes, you got it. Good job. Lemmy, you got it also. Good job. It's okay, Xander. Don't worry. I saw you. You are on time, actually. You are only about 1 or 2 minutes late, according to my time. Jovin, very good. All right. Jovin and Xander, can you please turn on your video, please? Thank you so much. Oh, Jasmine. Yes, beautiful answer. All right, how about the rest? Kalista, Zoe, yes, Tanisha, woo! And Joel, yeah. Oh, Joel, no, a bit too much. The question is looking for nearest 1,000. All right, your answer is a little bit too much. Your answer is like nearest 100,000. Oh, Kalista, you are almost correct. Kalista, I think you short of something. Right, you're almost correct. Rukmini, are you there? You want to try to key into the chat just to ensure that you know how to key in. Hey, Xander. No lah. All right, Rukmini, yes, your answer is correct. Good job. Woo! Joel also getting closer. Better than just now. Okay, come. So down here, right, again, the question is about rounding off. Hey, right, pay attention for those who got it wrong. You know who you are. Okay? So down here, the question is looking for 1,000. So who is at 1,000 place? This is the what? This is the ones. This is the tens. This is the hundreds. This is the thousands. All right. So the question wants what? At the thousands, right? Okay. Do what? Yes, Lamingo, go ahead. All right. Do what? Can we use the first method first? All right. The first method is to look at the previous number. The previous number is a 2. And 2 is below 5. Below 5, what happened? You have to maintain. What does maintain means? Maintain means you have to keep. All right. Maintain means you have to keep. So the 1 here, you have to keep it as a 1. You have to keep it as a 1. All right. The numbers in front, you need to copy down. All right. The numbers in front, you got to copy down because it's not affected. And behind, please remember to put your 3 zeros. And this will be your answers. Can you see that or not? So it's 2,581,000. Is that okay? Yes, Kalista, I saw your answer already. Very good. All right, Joel, I saw your answer before I give the answer. Thank you very much. All right, thank you for trying the third try. All right, keep trying. You don't give up. Your answers will keep getting correct. All right, don't give up. Can? All right, so this is the first method. It's actually quite simple. The second method, as I say, you have to look for the numbers, what? In between. All right, so for example, this 2581, 291 is in between what? The question is talking about thousands, huh? All right, so you have to look at this portion a little bit. All right, got to look a little bit at this portion. Oh, this one is like 81,000, right? 81,000. All right, so your answer can be between 81,000 or is it 82,000? All right, because the question asks for the nearest 1,000, you need to have at least 3 zeros behind one like that. Can you see or not? All right, so 81,291, is it closer to 81,000 or is it closer to 82,000? It's actually closer to 81,000, right? And not forgetting your 2 and a 5, right? It is still stuck in front. So all you got to do is to learn to focus on what? Focus on the correct digits. Everything will be okay. Can? But I prefer the first method. It's very systematic. All right? If they're asking for 1,000, you look at the one before. If it's below 5, you maintain, you keep it. If it's above 5, you have to round it up, push it up. All right, like this question down here. You have to push it up from a 6 to become a 7. All right, easy question. Let's not hold on too long. And one more question as homework from last week. Is this question. Can you all try, please? The question gives you that 24 times 63 is 1512. No calculator. Don't play cheat. All right. So the question gives you this as the answer. This is given. All right. And now the question wants the result of 1512. Oh, yo, this is like 1,512,000 divided by 630. What's the answer? Toby, I saw your answer. Correct. Toby, you don't have to ask the second question one. All right. You just key in the answer. Because sometimes I might be writing, I might be looking elsewhere. All right, don't worry, I will come to you as fast as possible. Kalista, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. Very good. All right, these people are very fast. Any more? Can we have at least 3 more answers, correct answers? Okay, so today's the plan, right? The rest of you think, today the plan is we'll go into something called the 4 operations. All right, but before that, we'll do some revision on things like measurement, you know, how to convert kg and all this. Very simple stuff. All right, then we go into something called the 4 operations. After that, we'll go into something called Kahoot. Today will be Kahoot. All right, so later you can bring your daddy's, mommy's phone, and we can log into Kahoot to play a game. And last week I've been telling the students that I'm keeping track. I'm keeping track of the yes, Rockmini, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. It's correct. So I was telling the students that I'll be keeping track on the Kahoot. Who scores like the top 5 and all this. And I will start to tabulate scores after 3 months or 6 months. The highest student will actually get a little prize lah. All right. Last year we gave out some of the popular vouchers. So this year we can try to give out some popular vouchers also. All right. So at least it gives you a chance of getting some little vouchers. Some interaction would be nice. Okay. Joel, good try, but can you please try again? Your answer is not correct, but thank you for trying. All right. At least you're trying, boy. Thank you so much. All right, then after the Kahoot session, then we go into one type of problem sum. It's called grouping in sets. Okay? Hey, Jasmine, I saw your answer. Good job. Wow. Okay, can we have another student's answer? So the question is asking what is 1,512,000 divided by 630? Oh no, what should I do? Right. Oh yes, Mingyi, you are very close. You are very close. All right. You are very close, Mingyi. It's just that you're too many zeros already. Too many zeros. Okay, come. Let me go through. Okay, so what is given to you, children? What is given to you? This is given to you. Do you remember one thing? For example, right, teacher always give things like 2 times 3. Huh? So simple? Yeah. Tanisha, I saw your answer is correct. 2 times 3 is what? Children, 2 times 3 is 6 lah, sure. Oh, sorry. You're right. Do you know also that 3 times 2 is also 6? Yeah? Do you also know something? Know what, teacher? Do you know that 6 divided by 3 is 2? And also 6 divided by 2 is 3. Can you see the beauty of mathematics? Yes, Leming, I saw your answer is perfect already. Thank you so much. All right, so children, can you see or not? The numbers are all related. The numbers are all related. Sure, what are you trying to say? All right. So the question did give you this information. Question say that 24 times 63 is what? 1512. Is it true? Question give it to you. It means it has to be correct. And this is what you are required. This is what you are required to answer. So what can you do to help yourself? Hey, sure, the 1512 and the 63, very, very what? Very similar. Yes, you are right. So can I do this? From here, all right, with this knowledge, can I do this? Can I say that 1512 is actually dividing by 63? It will give me an answer of 24. Can I say that? Yes, Mingyi, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. Jovin, I saw your answer, so thank you so much. So I think Mingyi is trying to answer this portion. Correct. So 1512 divide by 63 should give you a 24. That is correct. But the question didn't ask for that. All right. The question didn't ask for that. But it's very similar. What did the question ask for? The question asked for a bit more zeros, right? So down here, I'm going to put in my zeros. All right. Down here, I'm going to put in my zeros. So 1512 consists of 3 more zeros at the back. 1, 2, 3. 63 consists of 1 0 at the back. What happens here? All right. So at this moment, right, you can actually think of the multiplication table. For example, right, people say that 80 divided by 10. What do? 80 divided by 10 is a 8. People simply what? People simply just strike out the 0 because 0 and 0 can cancel. All right. Another example, for example, you have 7,200 divided by 100. What's the answer? Sure, I know, it's 72. All right, the normal fast way of what people do is they cancel out. There are 2 zeros here, you strike out 2 zeros here. Can you see? So here, what do? You do the same, all right? Down here, there's a 0, you can strike it out. You can strike out this 0. But there are 2 more remaining 0. What do? You have to put it back to balance it. And that will be your answer. Ta-da! Is that okay or not, children? All right, so whatever you learn in primary